Welcome to yet another unboxing video on the Watch Kaki channel, and for today's video we have one of these G-Shocks in the studio with me, and it's been a while since I've unboxed or reviewed a G-Shock, and let's just get on with it now. So I believe this is a new printing for a G-Shock retail box, and we've got a standard warranty card and instruction booklet here, and here we can see that there's a tin can. Right, you've got one of these tin cans here. Okay, let's see what's inside here. I'm seeing something new. Okay, so I think this is some kind of a display prop up or something like that. Alright, so the rest of the packaging is pretty standard, but I think they've got a new print for it. Alright, so let me just flip open the cover, the tin can cover, and let's see what we've got inside here. Alright, and ta-da! Alright, I've got one of these really new models here. Alright, so this one here continues the recent trend of G-Shocks, having all the metal casing or metal shroud. So they call this the metal covered series, and reference number for this model is GM-110SCM. So I believe this is like a new version of the GA-110. So the GA-110 is a very popular analog digital model, XL size, but what they've done here is they've changed out the resin shroud, and of course they've replaced it with a stainless steel shroud, and wow, really looks good here. This watch here is on loan from our boutique, and I really gotta thank Eric for generously loaning me all these watches for my videos. I don't know if he gains anything from it. So really big thank you to our boutique and Eric. So I do have permission to remove the protective film, so let me just do it right in front of the camera. And alright, now we've got the protective film out of the way, and this watch here, wow, it looks really interesting. I didn't know they have sort of like a camouflage print on the metal bezel. So listen to this. The bezel here, the case here is metal, stainless steel, done in a polish finish. Alright, so of course don't expect high polish or Grand Seiko polish, but it also has a really special camouflage print here, digital camouflage, I think. Wow, and looks pretty cool. And this camouflage print here goes all the way to this transparent strap here. Of course it's resin, but you can see here the printing continues all the way down the strap, and wow, it looks really cool. So I'm just pretty fascinated by all this interesting finishing and prints all over the case, and alright, but to be honest, I think legibility could be an issue for this watch because everything is so bling bling, so shiny, so reflective, and wow, can you really tell the time? I don't know. So it's really fun to hold on to this resin strap here, the transparent strap, with this new print. Okay, sort of reminds me of those women's shoes. Alright, that there's this brand called Melissa, I think, with the jelly kind of texture. Okay, so I don't know, maybe G-Shock will do a collaboration with that brand, with the jelly strap and the funky scent going on. And here's a staged fake wrist shot of the watch on my little wrist. Alright, so I have a feeling this watch is just a little bit smaller than the GA700. These models, the GA700, they are my daily beater watch, so I think this is a little bit smaller, but it definitely feels a little bit heavier. Of course, it's due to the metal shroud here. So I've also run off to collect my GA700 on the other side, just to make sure that yes, the GA700 is slightly bigger than this one. So this could be a medium-sized model, I'm not too sure. Let me just read up on Casio's website or get some more official information. So as it is, this watch here, pretty good size. Okay, so those 55 or 54 millimeter giants, they're quite bulky, but it's good that it's a G-Shock because all these things can take all the knocks and all that. So this one here being a metal version with a really nice shiny polish case, not too sure if you want to subject these things to all those abuse. So first impressions of the watch, wow, I really like this one. Okay, of course, there's some questions over the long-term durability of these transparent straps and all that, with regards to yellowing and all that, and of course you don't know how well you can keep this casing in good condition. So stay tuned for my review, the full review that's going to come in a few weeks. All right, bye bye.